let's start with understanding customer success for business. So when talking about customer success, who else can better explain it than the one who is managing the growth at Cyntexa? So let's hear it from Chaksha.
Right, thank you for that. So customer success is just nothing. It's a business strategy centered around keeping in mind the end, outcomes of our end customers and our customers. It, helps us to prioritize their goals, their journeys, and they're just keeping in mind their overall experiences. There are a bunch of ways we can, influence customer success. It's the challenges that they face, our solutions that help them to, eradicate those challenges. There's multiple ways to actually drive improvements. Gathering insight, analyzing the customer performance data is a very important part as well. So keeping all of those factors in mind, we can make comprehensive decisions to help our customers achieve customer success, and through that, for us Cyntexa also to achieve customer success. The other question that generally pops is that why is customer success so important for businesses? I think it's a pretty straightforward question. Businesses can't operate in isolation. They have to provide value and ensure that, the customer success, not only for themselves, but the end customers is also there. There are multiple ways through which we can actually, define or calculate customer success. The first is retain customers. I think it's a common fact at this point that acquiring new customers is always a more costly affair than, just maintaining your current customers. There are a bunch of additional costs that, a business is able to save over a period of time by by ensuring that they're able to generate, business with their current customers rather than putting more of their energies on, acquiring new ones. So I mentioned saving costs. There are a bunch of ancillary costs that a business can acquire through marketing efforts, through demoing their capabilities, and then ensuring that they have the skills that they think that they have. So over a period of time, if a business focuses on, deriving customer success on top of their values, it's a much better proposition for everybody, for all the stakeholders involved. It also increases customer lifetime value. Obviously, nobody gets into business to do just one-time transactions. They want to ensure that they're able to get repeat businesses, upselling, cross-selling through their current customers. It repeats to lead referrals, repeat purchases, and ensures that you're like a long-term name within the ecosystem that you're delivering. Salesforce, for example, that way. And obviously, as a business, if your focus is only just providing solution, that's never a long-term or sustainable way to grow. You should always ensure that you're also deriving value in terms of customer success when you're providing solutions, when you're doing your interactions with your customers. We've actually built from our own experiences to ensure how customer success has played a part. We have some stats on the screen for you. So customer satisfaction increases by about 22% when companies invest in customer success initiatives. There are multiple ways, intangible and tangible factors that help you, increase the customer satisfaction. 91% of customers are more likely to purchase a brand that provides excellent customer service, right? There are n number of providers at any given point of time who's giving the same product or solution that you guys are doing. As a differentiator, if you're able to, provide customer success, overall better customer experience, your customers will always prefer you over the competition. Businesses which has a strong customer focus as a root of their business operations are able to outperform their customers by 60%, roughly speaking. And companies with dedicated customer success programs across all levels of their company increases 15% of their customer lifetime value, which we covered earlier is a very important factor for any customer to achieve
Customer success.